Epicor ERP is a powerful solution for businesses looking to manage their finances and operations. But before you commit, there are some key points to consider. Whether you're comparing it to other systems like SAP or Microsoft Dynamics, you'll want to make sure this is the right choice for your business. Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before buying. First, Epicor ERP is designed to serve a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, distribution, and retail. But unlike some other solutions, Epicor tailors its offerings to specific verticals, which means it could be a great fit for niche industries. But this also means that if you're in a very specialized field, it might not offer all the flexibility you need compared to other ERP systems. Next thing, Epicor offers a strong set of financial management tools, covering everything from general ledger to accounts payable and receivable. These features are comparable to industry giants like SAP, but Epicor excels in providing user-friendly interfaces that make accounting tasks more straightforward, especially for smaller to mid-sized businesses. The third thing to note is that Epicor integrates well with other systems, but the level of integration can depend on the specific version you're using. Unlike some competitors, you may have to work a bit harder to connect it with third-party software, so be sure to plan for potential customization costs. Next, Epicor's deployment options include both cloud-based and on-premises, giving businesses flexibility depending on their needs. If you're looking for a fully cloud-based solution, competitors like Microsoft Dynamics 365 may have an edge in terms of speed and scalability. Epicor's hybrid approach, however, can be appealing if you need more control over your infrastructure. The fifth thing is that Epicor's user interface is clean and modern, but it's not always as intuitive as some other systems. Users have reported a learning curve, so while it's functional, be prepared for some training to get your team up to speed. Next, Epicor's reporting capabilities are comprehensive and customizable, but again, some users find the process of building reports to be more complicated than other ERPs. If advanced reporting is critical for your business, it's worth checking out how it compares to others like Oracle NetSuite, which is known for its powerful analytics. The seventh thing is Epicor's scalability. It can grow with your business, but if you're expecting rapid expansion, you may find some limits in terms of features and ease of use. Competitors like SAP are known for their ability to scale seamlessly, so Epicor might require more customization to meet those needs. The eighth thing is Epicor's customer support. While generally reliable, it's worth noting that response times can vary. If you're used to the 24/7 support available with some other ERPs, this could be a point of frustration. Next, Epicor offers strong supply chain management tools, making it a solid choice for manufacturers and distributors. But if you're primarily focused on services or need more specialized project management features, some other ERPs might suit you better. The 10th thing is Epicor's mobile app. It's decent for managing tasks on the go, but it's not as fully featured as the apps of some competitors. If mobile functionality is a major priority, take a closer look at what Epicor can offer. The 11th thing is pricing. Epicor ERP can be on the expensive side, especially for smaller businesses. While it's a robust solution, make sure you're ready for the upfront costs and ongoing maintenance fees. This is a big factor to compare with cloud-based options like Oracle NetSuite, which can sometimes be more affordable for smaller companies. And finally, Epicor is a good ERP system, but it may not be the best fit for everyone. If you're looking for something more customizable or easier to implement, consider exploring other options. For those interested in a different approach, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free to see if it fits your business needs better.